Hello everyone, this is an introductory level video for those who are new to GitHub environment. In this video, we will learn how to create a GitHub account and some basic things which one should know for collaborating. Also, we will see how to create a GitHub special repository, which is the first thing one will see after opening your GitHub account. So let's get started. First of all, what is GitHub? It is a web-based version control and collaboration platform for developers. It allows developers to change, adapt and improve software from its public repositories. Why it is used? It simplifies the process of working with other people and makes it easy to collaborate on projects. It lets you and others work together on files and projects from anywhere. Now we will see how to create a GitHub account. We have to sign up in GitHub. First, we have to enter a username. Next, we have to enter our email address. And next, create a password. Once we have done with the CAPTCHA part, just click on the create account. Once you have created, you can fill all these things. You can just verify your account. Skip this is now for now. Now we will discuss an important feature of GitHub, that is a special repository. For that you have to change your readme file with your username. So what is a readme file? It is the first file one should read when starting a new project. It is a set of useful information and a project and a kind of manual. It is the first file GitHub site will show when someone opens your repository. For that, first you have to click here create repository button. We have to give a repository name. Yes, you can see here you have found a secret. It is a special repository. Yes, you can keep the public. Yes, then just click on the create repository. So here we can see that there is some pre-made template. So this is the special repository. It is just like a small portfolio for your account. There is already a template. Either you can edit this or else you can update this. For that you have to just copy paste and paste below. So once you have done, you can also see the changes by clicking preview. Yes, so quickly I will do some changes so that you will get to know what it is. You can see the changes in the preview. Yes, if you want you can add your social media accounts with the help of markdown language. Once you have done all the changes, you can just click on the commit new file. Yes, so see here, whenever a person visit your account, he can see this. Now we will discuss some basic things in GitHub like fork, pull request, how to create a repository. First one, how to create a repository. First go to the repository and you can see an option called new. Just click on that and just type the name of the repository. Like if you want to create a project file, just name it as a project. And whether you want to keep it as a public or private, you can choose an option. And here you can see that add a readme file and just click on the create repository. And if you want to add a files in your repository, just go to the option called add file. Either you can directly create a new file by just clicking on that, or else if you have already in your local directory, you can just upload them. Now we will see how to fork a repository. Yeah, you can see an already existing repository. Just you can see an option called fork. Fork is nothing but it just creates a duplicate repository in your account. Once you have done the fork, you can see here Devincept and open contributions. Once you have forked and you have done all the changes required in your folder, and you can update them by using pull request. For that you have to go to the section called pull request and then you have to click on new pull request. As of now you can see that I have not done any changes. We'll create some changes. I have created a new folder and you want to update with the original repository, then just click on the create new pull request, and you can keep an heading what the things you have changed, and also if you want you can elaborate in the right section, then just click on the create pull request. That's it, we have created a pull request, and if you want to close that you can just click on the close pull request button. So you have learned how to create a GitHub account and to create a small portfolio, and also learn some basic things like pull request, fork, how to create a folder.
So now you are good to start with your GitHub and ready to start with your collaborations. Also, I will put some examples of good special repository in the description. You can start with the one you like.